Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, students? So this is your math period. Take out your book and open page number 19. Here on page number 19, recite the dua Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. This is a new unit. Yes, students, we are going to start a new unit today. So children, first we will understand the name of the chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Factors and multiples. What are factors? Factors are numbers by which any number is divisible. For example, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So 2 is the factor of 4. Understand? For 6 we have 6 किस टेबल में आता है? 3k, 2k, 1k and 6k. So these all are the factors of 6. 3 के टेबल में 6 आता है, 2 के टेबल में आता है, 1 के टेबल में आता है एंड 6 के इटसेल्फ टेबल में आता है. तो 6 के फैक्टर्स कौन कौन हुए? 3, 2, 1 and 6. ओके. Multiples. Multiples are the number which are obtained by multiplying a number. For example, again 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 2 3s are 6 and so on. So 4, 6 and 8 are the multiples of 2 and 2 is the factor of 4. Understand? Now turn your page. We are on page number 20. Test of divisibility. Divisibility rules of whole numbers are very useful to find out if a number can be divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. With the help of these rules, we do not need to do long divisions. These rules help us to test if one number is divisible by another number without doing a lengthy calculation. For example, students, let's look at some rules of divisibility. Rule number 1. This rule is for 2. Any number with 0, 2, 4, 8 at the unit place is divisible by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Like 12, it is an even number. Yes, it is divisible by 2. 22, its unit place, on its unit place it has 2, so it is divisible by 2. 38, unit place it has an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 542, what do you think? Is it a even number? So unit की place पे 2 है. Is it a even number? Yes, so it is divisible by 2. So you see कि divisibility rules की वजह से हमें long calculation नहीं करनी पड़ी. Now come to rule number 2. Rule number 2 is for number 3. If the digits of any number adds up to a number which is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. For example, you have the number 39. If we add 3 and 9, the answer is 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So yes, this number is also divisible by 3. Rule number 3. Any number with 0 or 5 at the unit place is divisible by 5. For example, 15, 25, 30, 5, 50. In all of these numbers at the unit place, we have 5 or 0. Like start table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 10 at unit place 0 है बेटा. So जिस नंबर पे यूनिट प्लेस पे 5 या 0 होगा वो 5 से डिविजिबल होगा. ओके. नाउ कम टू रूल नंबर 4. एनी नंबर विद 0 एट द यूनिट प्लेस इज डिविजिबल बाय 10. लाइक 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 555, 450, 555. Okay, so tell me from which of these number any one number is divisible by 10? Yes, 450, because at unit place it has 0 and at 555 at unit place is 5. So so it is not divisible by 10. Understand? जैसे 20, 30, 450, 40, 90 ये सब ऐसे नंबर्स हैं जो 10 से डिविजिबल हैं क्योंकि इनकी यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 है. Now look at some example. Example number 1 is 138 divisible by 2. Before reading the solution, tell me yes or no. Yes, because at unit place it has an even number 8. Yes, because 138 is an even number and it has 8 at its unit place. According to rule number 1, it is divisible by 2. Now come to the second example. Is 105 divisible by 3? Tell yourself. We will add the digits 1 plus 0 plus 5. So the answer is 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the original number 105 is divisible by 3. Okay, understand? Now come to the third example on page number 21. Is 593 divisible by 3? Add the digits, we get the answer 17. Is 17 divisible by 3? No. So the original number 593 is also not divisible by 3. Fourth example, is 195 divisible by 5? Yes, because it has 5 in its unit place. B. Is 230 is divisible by 5? Yes or no? Yes, because it has 0 at its unit place. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? Circle them and give reason. Solution. 780, 225, 192, 263. Okay, student. Before looking at the solution, tell yourself. Why not 192 and 263? Because उनके एंड में उनके यूनिट प्लेस में 5 और 0 नहीं आ रहा. So they are not divisible by 5. 780 and 225 are divisible by 5 because they have 0 and 5 at their unit place. Okay. Number 5. Is 240 divisible by 10? Yes or no? 240 के एंड में यूनिट प्लेस में 0 आ रहा है तो it is divisible by 10. Yes, 240 is divisible by 10 because it has 0 at its unit place. 6a. Is 4055 divisible by 5 and 10? 5 से हो रहा है divisible. Yes, क्योंकि इसकी यूनिट प्लेस में 5 है और 10 से हो रहा है नो क्योंकि इसकी यूनिट प्लेस में 5 है और 0 नहीं है. B. Is 1850 divisible by 5 and 10? 5 से है. Yes, क्योंकि इसके यूनिट प्लेस में 0 है और 10 से है. Yes, क्योंकि इसके यूनिट प्लेस में 0 है. 1850 divisible by 5 because it has 0 at the unit place. 1850 is divisible because it has 0 at the unit place. So children, today we have learned test of divisibility for 2, 3, 5 and 10. Read these pages and practice at home. Take care. Allah Hafiz.